So I'll be showing you how to delete Instagram Reels. You can actually delete your own Instagram Reels, and to do that, the easiest way is to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That should open this profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right and then select your activity. Under your activity, scroll down to content you have shared or content you shared. Tap on Reels, and here you should see all the Reels you have posted on your Instagram account. Now from here, if you want to delete a Reel, all you have to do is tap on Select and then select the Reel you want to delete, and you should see the delete option. You can actually delete multiple Reels at the same time. For instance, I have 4, and if I want to delete 4, I just select them and then tap on delete 4 and confirm I want to delete all those Reels by tapping on delete once again. And that is basically how you can delete Instagram Reels from your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.